In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by going into Themes app and clicking on Featured, Categories or Discover on the left. Wherever you decided, you remember to click on Themes section. You can also tap on the search bar and type in wherever you want to, then click on Themes over here. Either way, after locating a perfect one for you, click on it, tap on Free Download or Buy it, wait, and by tapping on Customize, manage all of those options. For example, if you wish to keep your current wallpaper. Then hit Apply. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to decide if you wish to keep Magazine unlocked. I will go with Discard though. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to one of your default ones, access the same Themes app. And this time click on Me on the left under all of those previous categories, Featured, Categories and Discover. Then scroll down, pick one of your preset themes and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!